I'm Richard Stewart. My family is Lindsay, and we have two children who are 15 and 17 who are at the school.
We heard about OFS from South African friends who live here, and their daughter is in the same grade that our daughter is in now. Before we decided to come, watched a YouTube video about OFS, and the YouTube video showed amazing facilities, and we were quite impressed by what it offered.
We also had a look at the curriculum, and the curriculum looked challenging and different to what they had done previously. But they enjoyed the challenge, and they've risen to the challenge very well over the last 2 years. Jonathan has grown in his independence while he's been here. He's become a lot more independent and being able to work by himself, being able to engage with people and make decisions by himself. His last 2 years at OFS have definitely expanded his mind, expanded what he exposes himself to, and just grown in an understanding of different cultures and a different way of doing life. Caitlin, on the other side, has grown in her maturity.
Yeah, she's become a lot more resilient. The IB road is a challenging road, but with the support of all the teachers and all the academic staff, they really supported her and helped fill in the gaps. And with her hard work as well, she's made it, and she's in grade 12. And I think she's just learned so much and really grown within herself and an understanding of how she works and how she does things. I was fortunate to get a teaching position here after we moved here, and that was really a good comfort to Caitlin and Jonathan. However, I'm not in the same block as them, so I don't have a lot to do with them and their high school. I teach in the elementary school. I really like it that they have their own independence, but it's really nice when I do see them on the escalator or sometimes in the atrium when they give a little wave or a side hug. I really appreciate my teenagers doing that. And yes, wearing a teacher hat, I think it helps me to just appreciate what their teachers are doing for them in the high school, the hard work that they put into their lessons and the knowledge, skills and understanding they're teaching.
Caitlin has done well with the IB program. It is a rigorous 2 years, and although it is difficult and tough, she's been very resilient. I think OFS makes it quite easy for the children to adapt. They give good guidance and good direction with regards to that, and having a student counsellor available for the children, and they offer the university fare. So they're not only preparing for IB diploma, but also offering for what comes afterwards. And
the parent-teacher student conferences also are really helpful for us to be updated on their progress. Caitlin has given us permission to share, get support at the wellness centre in the high school. The staff have made a huge effort to include her and not to make her feel left out.
Again, we talk about the support that Caitlin got. So she is quite badly with her health, and so having the teachers around to support her and to encourage her and to give her the opportunity to give concessions on her submission of her subject work that she does has been helpful for her, and she really appreciates the ability just to be able to speak to the teachers about those type of things. She's really enjoyed the opportunity to do psychology in the IB program, having that as an option. Same we see for Jonathan with the IGCSEs. He has the ability to do a special sport PE program where he has to make 4 videos of himself doing specific sports and showing skills, and this has made him kind of explore different sports rather than the standard sports.
And the Tigers football team has been a wonderful opportunity for him this year. So Caitlin really enjoyed the knitting club that she was the leader of from grade 10. She actually made a slideshow with videos on it to teach the students how to knit, and she collected all the squares that everyone knitted, and she actually sewed them all together herself. And once it was sewn into a blanket, she was able to donate it to a local charity called Hope Trust. And the other club that Caitlin really enjoyed in grade 10 was the RDA, where the school took the small group of students to the RDA where they were able to lead disabled children on horses, and that was a really great service opportunity for her.
And I think Jonathan also was able to explore other things besides just the sports. He also got involved in the Mad Week, which was a little skit that he was able to do with his friend and learn a little bit more about drama and acting. And that then led to him being involved in the Macbeth play, which took place at the school. I would recommend OFS to other families. The cultural change that we experience from South Africa to Singapore is kind of exaggerated at OFS, where they get the opportunity to mix with different cultures, different people. From an education point of view, it's a very high quality of education. You get support from the teachers, and there's always engagement with the teachers. There's also the opportunities outside of the school that they offer, which has also helped and given Jonathan and Caitlin to be involved in the community and also to be involved in everyday school life.